Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again. You already know. Doing a ride along. Yep, I'm doing a ride along with this right here. Name is not on the side of the bottle, but this is Pepe Jeans Celebrate for Men.
This is a celebration, bitch.
And this is really a fragrance that's probably geared more so for like the spring and the fall, which we are in the spring right now, even though it feels like summertime because it's been like we got a couple of 90-degree days, but that's neither here or there. This is what we're talking about today. So I'm gonna rock out with this. Yeah. So just go ahead and jump right into it. Get these sprays on. Get a couple on my jacket. And it's really a kind of a heavier, denser fragrance, but it is freshened up. Like it has like cacao and cinnamon in it. Yeah, it's pretty dense, but it's freshened up because it has some lime and black currant. But we'll get into it a little bit later, the notes and everything. So I just want to see if some of the cheaper fragrance, the budget fragrance, can do it. So let's do this right along. Roll with me. Whoa! Oh, before I go, let's see the time right now. It is 8:48 and the temperature is 61 degrees. I'm not sure if that's going to come up. 61 degrees, and it's supposed to get up to, I think, 82 degrees today. But it's supposed to be like a cool 82. So hopefully it's not like a humid or anything like that, because if it's humid, this fragrance is going to be a bad decision. So roll with me. Let's get it. All right. So, time for a check-in. It's only been a little while. Right now, it is 11:32. So it's been maybe about an hour and a half. The fragrance has gotten really, really close to my skin. It sits really close. It's changed a lot because the first opening notes was kind of like a sweet, spicy kind of vibe with a freshness with it from the probably from the lime, but right now it smells more like it's really subdued. It's like really close to the skin. So maybe I need to get some cool air, or maybe once I go out and I get into the heat, it might come back to life. But for right now, it's not performing like I thought it was going to perform, and it's not performing obviously like none of the major great fragrances that are performance monsters. This is just, it's just pretty close to the skin. It's almost coming off like a date scent that's fresher. But we'll do another check-in in a little bit. Oh, and right now the temperature is 68 degrees. Why did my phone? Not sure if that's going to come in, but it's 68 degrees. So got a little bit warmer. Supposed to be getting a lot more warmer later on. So we'll ride out with it and see how it goes. Keep rolling with me. Hey, all right, what's going on, folks? I'm doing a check-in. It is now, what time is it? Let's see what the time is. Got notifications popping up. It's 10:18. 10:18, and it's gotten warmer, or at least I think it's gotten warm because I was in the house most of the day. I mean, for a couple of hours. But it is warmer now. It's 74 degrees. Is that right? Let's see. Yes, 74 degrees. I don't know if that's going to come in for you guys, but 74 degrees. And the fragrance has gotten really, really close to the skin. I can barely smell it. But the thing is, I've noticed sometimes that a fragrance I'll go nose blind to a fragrance, but other people around me can smell it. Right now, I can't smell it, except for slightly. Like I'm picking up a little bit of the cocoa and maybe something sweet. Maybe like a tonka bean. I think it does have tonka bean in it, but it's like something sweet and cocoa, like almost like a like a dusty chocolate kind of vibe. Yeah, it's nice, but the thing is, it's really close to the skin. At least that's what I'm picking up. It feels like it's close to my skin. I can't tell if it's projecting or if it's putting off a nice scent bubble or anything like that. But like I said, today is not really the day that you really want to wear this, because it's a warm day. It's really geared for like a cooler day, like a fall day, and also probably more so made for like a date kind of scent. Maybe not something that you're going out and just going out in general, but something that you're going to be in close encounters with somebody. But like I said, I just want to try it out to see how it's going to work, how it performs with compared to some of the other fragrances that's been coming out lately. So that's the check-in for right now. Like I said, it is, what time was it? Oh, 1:21. I think I said 1:20, but I'm gonna keep rolling with it, see if it produces anything different. Keep rolling with me. Hey, all right, folks. So I'm doing a check-in. It is now 3:14, and just got finished doing the workout, and the fragrance is pretty much gone. It smells now like a like sand, like a watered down like cinnamon almost. It smells like almost like a dusty kind of vibe, but it smells good. It smells like it has a little bit of sweetness with it, and it still has a good smell. It's just not projecting at all. And like I said, I sweated a lot, as you can see. So I probably sweated all out. So I think this fragrance is done, but I'll keep rocking with it for a little while longer. All right, I'll give you an update in a little bit. Cruising. It's a beautiful day out today, man. Nice blue sky, a couple of Pillsbury Doe clouds. I'm digging it. Hey, all right, so I am back. Let's wrap this up. His fragrance is pretty much dead. I'm still picking up some kind of like a, almost like an incensey kind of like a woodsy, spicy kind of vibe, but it is completely close to the skin. I'm not going to get any reactions from it if I walk past anybody or anything like that, because it is not projecting at all. It's just like a skin scent right now. So once a fragrance gets to that point where it's just a skin scent and it's not really projecting, I consider it to be dead, because I'm pretty sure I'm not going nose blind to it. The sweatshirt I had on earlier, I smelled that. I can faintly smell it, so it's not like I'm going nose blind to it. It's just gone. So, Celebrate for him. It's a good fragrance, and I thought, for some reason, the last time I wore it, I thought it was a Beast Performer, but maybe I was wrong, or maybe it's been a long time and the fragrance gone back. I don't know. Tell me what your experience is with this. So, it's a good fragrance, especially for the price. It's a nice cheapie if you're thinking about getting a cheap fragrance and you just don't want to spend a whole lot of money, but you want something that smells good. It smells really good. It's really geared more so for the, like I said, the fall and the winter time, but it's really a close-in scent. It really never went all the way out and was a crazy performer any part of the day today. So, jumping right into the notes. The notes for Celebrate for him. The top notes are blackcurrant and lime. They're in the beginning, it's like this spicy dark fragrance, but it has a freshness mixed in with it. That's what the lime and the blackcurrant is probably helping with that freshness to it. Then in the middle notes, there is cacao, tonka bean, cinnamon, clary sage, and juniper. And then in the base notes, there's amberwood, patchouli, and birch. Oh, birch. That's probably the scent that I'm smelling that I said that smells kind of like a spicy kind of like, it's not really super spicy. It's more of like a mellowed out spicy, almost like an incensey, and birch tend to give off that kind of smell. So yeah, that's what I rocked out to today. That was the ride along, and like I said, let's see what the going prices are for this right now. So at Fragrance Net has it for $18.59. I see one place here, it's like $17.08. Then another person has $29. Walmart has it for $30. eBay $16. Yeah, so it's a nice cheap fragrance. If you look for something that's inexpensive and smells good, it has a higher quality scent profile than the actual price. So yeah, the smell of it from the beginning though smells nothing. It's like sweet and spicy and kind of fresh all together. It smells nothing like what this smells like as a dry down. This smells more like just like birch. So anyway, that's Celebrate for Men. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about the ride along with Pepe Jeans. Celebrate for him. Until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.